Hotels Incorporated welcomed the merriest time of the year by celebrating 2 holiday milestones at their properties, one Tectona Hotel in Liloan and Cebu Quincentennial Hotel in Cebu City. One Tectona held its very first Christmas tree lighting ceremony with the theme Pasko sa Woodlands.
And to all of you, all more special. We are all special today because we are here to witness the milestone of Duros Group, the first ever Christmas tree lighting at one Tectona Hotel. Merry Christmas to all of you! Thank you and God bless us all!
Aside from the beautiful performances of Cebu's local artists, another highlight of the event was the spectacular fireworks display.
3, 2, and 1! Merry Christmas from Cebu Quincentennial Hotel!
Meanwhile, Cebu Quincentennial Hotel also celebrated its first Parol Street Lighting ceremony, wherein colorful stars illuminated the entire stretch in front of the hotel's facade. As Cebu's faith destination, the ceremony draws inspiration from the Star of Bethlehem to guide people's lives towards a path filled with love and compassion.
Parols have different symbolisms, but for me, star symbolizes that one star. It symbolizes Jesus Christ. For me, it's the true star of Christmas. So that is our take for this year. So parols, and that's the reason why we celebrate Christmas.
I am very excited that there will be coming up with more ideas, that we continue our work of evangelization through the different elements and things that promote our faith. So the stars of David, the stars of Bethlehem will be here in order for us to truly observe the meaning of Christmas, who is going to be our Lord.
CQH also launched their Side Street Grill, where diners can enjoy their grilled specials every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 5 to 8:30 p.m. This has been 𝗂𝗂𝗵𝗴𝗀𝗀 for MyTV Cebu.